Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in live.com.au email account. So if you also want to log in live.com.au email account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar, type in outlook.live.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find the option for sign in. If you do not have an account, you can also click on the option create free account. After that you'll be able to create an account for yourself. If you already have an account and if you want to log into your account, simply click on the sign in option that you can see right over here, or you can also click on the sign in option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to enter your email, phone or Skype. Simply click right over here. Now enter your email, phone or Skype. After that click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forgot password and after that you'll be able to reset it. If you remember your password, simply enter it. After that click on the sign in option that you can see right over here. And after that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into live.com.au email account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.